guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to have a look at a very amazing product here by Philips. It's a daily collection blender HR2056. So we'll start by unboxing it and then see the features that it comes with and what it can do for us. Kindly come with me. Inside the box we have a guarantee certificate. It's a 2-year warranty, you can see here, and it's worldwide. Then comes the user manual. This one will help us get the most out of a blender the best way possible. Don't fumble like most of us do. Until we stuck, we go knocking at our neighbors asking, how does this go on from here? So I'm looking at the jar that we have. It's a 1 liter capacity, but then it also has a 1.25 working capacity. It's made of plastic that's BPA free, and what's more to it, it's break resistance. You can see an amazing blade here. It's a 4-star selected blade, and what this implies is that it's very strong, very sharp, more of a ninja sword. Now this is going to give us our results in a record time. Then there is one more bit you can see down here. So for every blender, the jar and the motor is connected by a bit down here, which could be either rubber or plastic. Now what we have is plastic, and the sentiment of a rubber is that the rubber normally burns out because of friction, and oftentimes a client will tell you, I'm powering it on, I can feel the motor propel, but then the blades are not turning. Why? The rubber has been heated up. So anytime you're out there looking for a blender, look for one that has a plastic bit, and you can never go wrong with a Philips blender. It also comes with a jar, a lid here, which requires a yes, so we need to have it airtight so that as we do our smoothies, the stuff inside there does not pour out. Then there is a hole here. It's not a malfunction. What this hole does is that it gives us one more function, unlike some of our competing blenders. So you want to prepare your own mayonnaise, have it fresh in the house. You're going to put your yolks inside here, your vinegar, and then once you connect it up here, we're going to pour our olive oil here, and then it's going to drip drop by drop as it whisks down here, and alas, there you have your freshly made mayonnaise. Then aside from the jar, we also have a mill, which is a twofold. Now this mill can be a grinder or a chopper, depending with what you want to get out of it. Unlike our jar, which we're using upright, this one calls to be inverted. So going to feed whatever it is that you want to do. You want to grind your coffee beans for that fresh aroma. This is going to give you just about that. You want to run away from that tear gas experience while doing your onions. This is going to give you just about that. So bring in your onions, put them here, ensure that you've covered it fine, and then plug it here, and there you have your chopper. It comes with 2 speeds, one which is the fast speed, and then it also has the pulse. Now the machine brags of a very powerful motor. At 450 watts, it's going to crush just about anything you're doing. Talk of ice cubes, talk of apples, speak of carrots. It's just going to give you impeachable results, and all that in record time. Because if I fill this jar with ice cubes, in 30 seconds, I'll be done and good to go. That's how we get the most out of this. Now, we need to ensure that we have a constant supply of power. And the next thing we're going to do is plug it in and see how we go about it. So, there we go. Our power is on. I need to fix it. So we said we have the one speed, continuous, and then we also have the pulse. So what the pulse is going to give you is that people want their smoothies differently. There are those who want it fine, and there are those who want it a bit mushy. So if you want it a bit mushy, we have a pulse speed. And we release it. Then remember we said this is interchangeable. So want to do your grinding or your chopping, just that, and ensure at any given time it clicks. There we go. And then now the last bit that we did not talk about our blender, which actually makes it a standout from other competing brands, is that it comes with a technology calling motor thermal protector. Now what this feature does is that as the motor propels, oftentimes it overheats. Now our blender is going to sense, and once the motor feels like it's being overwhelmed, it shuts off automatically. So you don't have to keep on switching off after every 2 minutes, unlike what other blenders do. This one, the moment it feels like it has come to the peak, it will shut off automatically until it cools down, then it can peak. That's it for today, folks. If you liked our video, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. You can follow us on all our social media platforms. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.